Good afternoon from Indianapolis, Indiana, and welcome to Flying A Motorsports, brand new location here. Come inside and check us out. Welcome to our brand new showroom where we have on display our Renegade product all the way from our Verona to the Verona LE up to the flagship, our custom painted Renegade XL. Down here is going to be our lineup of classic coaches by Renegade, where we have a 45-foot CBF bunk bed model all the way to our 589 Peterbilt, which is going to be sent off for customization. Customization can be picked at this time by the customer, so if you would like to customize this 589, give us a phone call today.